Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery. We have a nursery in New South Wales, in Somersby on the Central Coast, just north of Sydney, and we have a huge collection of epiphyllums, and I've chosen one epiphyllum to show you today because it's so amazing. It's called Epiphyllum guatemalensis curly sue, and it's a sport from this particular straight-leafed epiphyllum. Now this epiphyllum originated in Guatemala, and the sport, which is this amazing plant here with its curly habitat or habit, is just an amazing plant. It's extremely tough, and the flowers are a miniature form of this particular guatemalensis. So they have a star-shaped white, very fine petal. They're on an upright bud, and they just open up, spring open, and they just are just so gorgeous. So the contrasting leaves are quite amazing. It's been a very interesting plant for people to grow, and it makes an ideal indoor plant unless it's in a very hot position inside. It needs to be semi-shaded indoors or full shade outside. A little bit of morning sun outside is fine, but not too dark inside. So near a window or close to a window where they've got good indirect light is the perfect position. Patios, verandas, anywhere outdoors is great as long as it's not in hot full sun. So this plant here is great for a hanging basket or as a feature plant in a collection of epiphyllum. Now just behind me we have a huge big long row of epiphyllum plants. We're just in the process of cutting up leaves, and we're going to take them to the Collectors Plant Fair, which is on the 10th and 11th of April. Each year it's always in April, so around those dates keep a lookout for it. It's Western Sydney, and it's a fabulous place to shop for plants. So we usually are in Site 9 or around that area, and we'll have a huge range of epiphyllums, and they come in all different colours, from pinks, yellows, oranges, creams, whites, most colours that you can think of. We've got over 45 varieties that we're taking for this year. So I just wanted to share that with you, something to look out for, and we're going to be doing the propagation of them at our workshops, which we have once a month in our succulent workshops. We include epiphyllums. They're so much fun, they're easy to grow. Why not come and join us for a succulent workshop? They're only $49. You get to take heaps of plants home, and all the information can be found on coachwoodnursery.com. We have a full page of information where all of our workshops are listed, so coachwoodnursery.com. Come and join us. My husband helps me with the workshops. He does the potting mix, the fertilizers, any pest and diseases. We cover everything you need to know about succulents, but it includes the amazing epiphyllums. See you soon.